You've never seen anyone do it.
In person. I've seen the internet.
Holy fuck.
That's awesome. And it.
Oh, I need water.
Get him a water! Coffee or something.
There's only beer.
That's a waste of beer. Really, we're gonna drink it.
No.
Water? Here's water.
Ugh.
At first he put it in, he was like, I'm like, oh, is that gonna work?
Because it just coats your mouth, right? And then you have no saliva to actually swallow.
Oh.
What's happening to him right now? He's just drinking the beer and spitting it out. Oh,
You can't.
he's not making
You can't do it.
Here, forget the water. At least don't waste the beer.
Oh, that's gross.
I can't even just.
Water?
That's water. What's water?
It's hot. Piss hot.
I took it out of the tap because Frank had the door open.
Oh my
We
god.
have a fridge with water.
Well, Frank had the door open and I was trying to get him water as fast as I could.
It's all stuck down my throat.
I can't swallow.
I'm gonna get him cold water. I am trying. The water I gave him was hot.
Dude, that's fucking gross. But I have very nice breath now. Very cinnamony breath.
Oh my goodness, I can't stop crying.